10 yoga poses for defeating diabetes. We would ask you to get enrolled under an expert yogic instructor if this is your first time in knowing the 10 yoga poses for defeating diabetes. Here are the 10 yoga poses for defeating diabetes that you can do at home, with or without guidance and supervision. 1. Ardha Matsyendrasana. 2. Pranayam. 3. Balasana. 4. Vajrasana. 5. Setubandhasana. 6. Sarvangasana. 7. Dhanurasana. 8. Chakrasana. 9. Halasana. 10. Paschimotasana. So these are the 10 important yoga poses for diabetes, and there are many reviews available which talk very high and positively about the same. But let's take a look at what research has to say about yoga poses for diabetes, from the world of medical science. From TODAYSDIETITIAN.com, the experts mention high regards with yoga poses for diabetes, and to quote them, in the last few years, new clinical studies and reviews have been published on yoga and diabetes, providing more evidence of its benefits. The most recent study found that 3 months of yoga along with standard care significantly reduced BMI and improved glycemic control compared with standard care alone. 2. Another study reported that, after 40 days of yoga, adults with type 2 diabetes experienced significant reductions in BMI and anxiety as well as improved general well-being. 3. Adults at high risk for type 2 diabetes experienced improvements in weight, blood pressure, insulin control, and triglycerides following 3 months of yoga compared with a group of patients receiving only diabetes education materials. To reap more benefits using the best yoga for diabetes, you should have an expert for supervision around for the first few days. We hope this information on diabetes and yoga benefits makes sense. Stay healthy and happy.